Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will dive into the world of project management using Trello. Whether you're a student, freelancer or working professionally, Trello is a powerful tool that can help you to manage your project efficiently. So, let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome and type trello.com. After coming on your Trello's workspace, tap on Create, and after opening it, you have to write HS Services. And after writing it, choose a strong name for your workspace and then tap on Create. This is called Trello's board creation. The first thing you'll want to do is create a board. Think of a board as a project or a category. Create a board for each project or category. Boards serve as the main container for your task. Once you have created a board, you can start adding lists. List and customization. Lists are like different stages or phases within a project. For instance, in a software development project, you can add as many lists as you need. Add lists to your board to represent different stages or phases within your project. Customize lists based on your workflow. Now move forward and create cards. Now let's talk about cards. Cards are the individual task or item within your list. You can create a card for each task. Create card within list for individual tasks or items. Add detail, due dates, labels, attachment and assign team members to cards. You can give a fine, nice name to your cards, and also you can change the color of your cards. And also you can give a theme background in your cards. It is very easy and a very simple process. I hope you are following all these steps to fulfill your requirements. You can also save date according to your requirements. You can save it and also remove it. So in cards, it will help you stay organized and stay on point. I hope you follow all these steps to further proceed. Now, we're gonna move forward in this video, and the next step is label and due dates. So in label and due dates, use label to prioritize and categorize your task. Set due dates to stay on track and meet deadlines. You can give title to your label and select a color you prefer, red, blue, green, any color you like. After that, you just have to click on create and it will create your label. Now as you can see on your screen, your label is now created. It will also help you to create a date which will remind you about your deadline so that you will stay connected with your work and stay alert before the deadline comes. Labels and due dates will help you stay alert and do your work on time. I hope you understand labels and due dates. Now the next step is checklists. It breaks down complex tasks into smaller subtasks using checklists. It easily tracks process by ticking off completed items. You can simply give a title to your checklist, and after giving title, tap on Add. Your title will be added. Right after adding your titles in your checklist, you have to add items so you can take it one by one. So it will help you to remind your items or your tasks. It will help you to check the progress of all your completed tasks. It will track all your progress reports and it will show you in your Trello. So for that, checklist is a very useful tool. You must have to use it. The next step is Power-Ups feature. The Power-Ups feature refers to additional integration and functionalities that enhance the capability of your boards and cards. Power-ups are like plugins or add-ons that allow you to connect Trello with external tools and services. Now you can add many features from Trello like Zapier, Google Chat, Google Drive, Talk, Gmail, and much more. Explore Trello's Power-Up feature to extend its functionalities. Power-Up integrate with other tools and add extra features to enhance your project management experiences. It is a very powerful tool for Trello. You can add your external tools in Trello very easy and very quickly, and also you can connect them with your Trello. It will help you to function all in one. You just have to type your tool name in the search bar and search for it. You'll see it will give you a lot of tools in the right of your screen. You can simply tap on it and then click on Add button and it will be added to your Trello's. You can easily see that feature in the top of your Trello screen. You can use this as the extension of your Trello so that it will help you to use it quickly. Power Up will help you a lot in many ways. It is a most important and a very useful tool in Trello. It helps you to work more efficiently and more quickly. You will find all the tools or most of the tools in no time in your Trello. It will help you to look your work more professional and more amazing. So I hope you'll get all the basic use of Trello and I hope you like it. You can also add member in your Trello's board. So just simply tap on the three dots in the right of your boards. After tapping on them, you'll see this notification will pop up on your screen. If you want to make a member, you just simply have to write their email address or their name. And after typing their name, send them a little message through the board and then click on share. After tapping on them, Trello will send the invitation to the member. It will help you to make a new member to which you can share your work. It will help you sharing your work with no time and it's very easy to use. You can also hide your list or unhide your list. Tap on three dots and you'll find the option of archive. Your list is now hidden. So to unhide your list, you just have to tap on the three dots in the right of your screen and you'll find the option of archive list. Tap on it. You'll see your archive list here. Now click on share to board again and it will be unhide. Click on boards and then tap on downward arrow. Now you have to take the table. As you can see, it's already marked. Now leave it. Trello has many useful features. And now we're going to learn another feature. You can invite members to your workspace. Simply type the email address or name of your member and then click on add. That member will be added to your workspace. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope this video will be helpful for you in any way. And there you have it. It's a beginner's guide to Trello's project management. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. And also comment below that what do you want to watch more. Thank you so much for showing this much interest in our videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.